student, in previous video already I have taught about what is the SI unit of temperature, that is Kelvin, and common unit of temperature, that is degree Celsius. In this video I will teach how will you convert degree Celsius to the Kelvin scale and Kelvin to the Celsius scale. First of all, you should note the relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale of temperature. It is very easy formula. Temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. With the help of this formula, we can easily convert degree Celsius to the Kelvin scale and Kelvin to the Celsius scale. Take one example. Convert the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to the Kelvin scale. We know that what temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. It is the formula of relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. Temperature on Celsius scale is what? 25 degrees Celsius. So write here 25 plus, and here is what? 273. After that you add this number, we get 298 Kelvin. So temperature on Kelvin scale is 298 Kelvin. So it is very simple formula by which we can easily convert 25 degrees Celsius to the Kelvin scale. Now we will take another example. Convert the temperature of 300 Kelvin to the Celsius scale. In this question we will have to convert 300 Kelvin to the Celsius scale, and we know the formula of relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Write the formula here. Temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. We know temperature on Kelvin scale is what? 300 Kelvin. Right here is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. When 273 move in left side, then what will you got? What will you got? You will get temperature on Celsius scale is equal to 300 minus 273, and subtract 273 from 300, we get 27 degree Celsius. So temperature on Celsius scale is 27 degree Celsius. So it is very easy and best formula. With the help of this formula we can easily change degree Celsius to the Kelvin scale and Kelvin to the Celsius scale. So please learn this formula and convert degree Celsius to the Kelvin scale and Kelvin to the degree Celsius. Thanks.